John and I are on the boardwalk near Cape Tribulation, Mile Beach, and they've got a fantastic boardwalk. It's quite newly built, wasn't here last time we came, last year. And you just go through all the rainforest areas. There's areas with mangroves, there's areas with lots of pandanus. Here we've entered into a bit of a palm forest. So that's those palms that I think they're native to this area, but they're amazing. Looking at the foliage there. Beautiful. And then you've got tree ferns, you've got all sorts. It's just a real mixture of plants. This is like another world, really. Oh, this is a really tiny pandanus here, near the waterway. But yeah, you've got a clearing here and there's just full of these fan palms. Fan palms everywhere. Everywhere you look. The whole canopy is pretty much fan palms. It does actually look like we're on another planet. Yeah. It's so weird. There are parts where they're competing so much that you can barely see any sky. It is overcast today, so it's only grey sky, but yeah, just amazing. And you've got heaps down at ground level as well. So when they're younger, they're more separated. As they get older, they seem to have more of a rounder shape to them. Continuing on. Yes, we didn't see this last time, so we're absolutely delighted that this is boardwalks here, because we saw a few of these fan palms last time, but hardly any. But this is taking you right through. It's fantastic. All through this area there's lots of little tiny meandering creeks. It's so wet here. Another little bridge crossing. You can hear weird noises sometimes. Bird noises. Don't know what it is sometimes. I know, it's nice, isn't it? I've seen, guess what? I've seen enough fan palms to make me happy, because I just love them. It's my favourite plant up here. The tree ferns are good, but the fan palms are even better. I know. It's like another world. That's the best section back there. This is not bad here, but the other bit's so much better. This is not quite as... It's got a bit of...
Well, after that, hard to be that one. You're a fan type.
I know.
It all seems to congregate just one little forest.
Here we've got a huge fern. I think it's called the king fern. It is meant to be the largest one in the world. And that's only a small one, but they can grow up to about 5 metres apparently. And then we've got another one of our beautiful fan palms up ahead. And down in the creek, the pandanus that I was referring to earlier, they grow quite tall. Quite different to the ones that you see by the beach where they've got the big long aerial roots. I guess they don't need them here, but there's so much moisture. And you've got a few little tree ferns just starting off as well.
That joins this shop.
So there's the whole area, like we've seen people with babies in strollers have made it really easy to walk along. It's very gentle, almost hardly any slopes at all. It's beautiful. There's a young fan palm right near the path. And then scrolling up, got some growth up high. Look at this. Got this huge amount of, these are like vines or some sort of epiphytic thing. I can see a few leaves up there. They've gone right up into the canopy, and nobody's going to be removing those. They're not choking the tree, but they're certainly stuck on tight. Yeah, and you look at these. These are attached by little suckers, I think, those vines. They have a little sucker pad underneath them, but you can see them winding their way up into that trunk. We're entering another fan palm section. Look at this one. Wow, that's tall. Sorry about the exposure here. And they're all on different levels. Some of them are quite high as you come through.